Welcome to Davots Technology. Today I want to show you how to remove the domain from the Windows server or how to demote a domain controller. Go to Manage button here, click it, click Remove Roles and Features, click Next. You will see the domain controller here, click Next, uncheck this, click Remove Features. Wait for it to be done. You can see Active Directory domain controller needs to be demoted before a DDS role can be removed. Click Demote this domain controller. Wait for it again. Just wait for some minutes. Then force the removal of this domain controller. Click Next. Select Proceed with Removal. Click Next. Put your password. Click Next. Click Demote. So the demotion of the domain controller has started. The domain controller has been successfully demoted. Click Close. So that's how to demote a domain controller. So your machine will restart. Now, having restarted this machine, you can see that the machine has reverted back to workgroup instead of remaining on a domain because we demoted the domain controller. So you can see the hammer button here. To promote it back to a domain, you click on this and promote this server to a domain controller. If you don't promote this server to a domain controller, we only have a server manager that has no domain controller. So that's how to demote a domain controller from a Windows machine. See you in the next video.